So very good evening all. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have three speakers today for membership session. So they will be guiding us on membership. So first of all, I would introduce Charlotte Walter. She is a Avenue co-chair for membership, and she is a MBA HR and certified disc trainer as well as IELTS trainer for British Council, and currently working as a career counselor and IELTS trainer, which is an online training session she is taking. Then we have past president Vikas Sankulkar, who is a Smile Avenue chair for membership this year, and he is a member of largest club district in district 3142, that is Rotary Club of Dombivli East, and he joined this club in 2010 and became president in the year 1890. At his presidential time or duration, he introduced 44 new members. So I think he is the a perfect speaker on this session. And one more good achievement, that is during his tenure, the TRF donation was $27,850. Okay, so it is a great achievement, sir. And sorry, uh, Vikas ji. And personal information, he runs a company called as Ozus Secure Power, which deals in power backup, UPS inverters, like that. And then very tall person or very great person in our district, that is Rajiv Karnik ji. Sir, actually, after seeing your biodata profile, actually, I was actually eager to see you. I might have met you also during our district programs, online programs, but that time I was not knowing you in depth. But after seeing your profile, sir is a means you can say like AB de Villiers, 360-degree player. So academics, then Rotary, social, then even music and all, and acting. Okay, so I will just introduce him. Uh, he is a brilliant student. Okay, he was a brilliant student and he is a brilliant student right now also. He passed out chemical engineering from IIT at just at age of 20. BTech
Wow.
at the age of 20. That too, Bombay IIT. And at that time, Bombay IIT must have been a number one college in engineering in all India and even entire world. Then he worked in USA for Shell Oil for almost 2 years, and after that he came back to India, which is a rare thing. If we will see the brain drain, which we call, so he came back to India, and then he joined multiple various companies like L&T. Then he joined Deepak Fertilizers. He worked there for 21 years, became CEO, president, COO. Okay, and now he's working as a consultant in chemical industry. Then if we'll see his Rotary life, okay, because of his personal interest, he is a techni-savvy, he is a music lover, he is a traveler, he is a he's a very much interested in making friends. So Rotary might have suited most because he Rotary is the organization which gives a lot of actually opportunities to such kind of personas. So he joined Rotary Club of Thane in 2004, then became president in the year 2011-12. Then he holded many positions in district as assistant trainer, joint district secretary, even AG also in 2018-2019. And in current year, now he's a district membership chair for membership chair. And next year he will be the district secretary events. And as I told, he is a actually multifaceted character. So he has acted in some serials also. So in Marathi serials like Bap Manus and Ghadge and Sons. And his entire life and family is a, we can say, a Rotary family, because his wife was also a Rotary president for Innerville Club in Thane. and he's blessed with daughter and son, as well as 4 grandsons. Daughter and sons are they are settled in USA. So such kind of great personality. It is my pleasure, my privilege to introduce you, Rajuji. So now handing over this session to, I think,
thank you,
to our
Yogesh. That was very flattering. It felt very nice to be talked about that way. What we are going to do is Charlotte will start off, and then Vikas will take over, and then I will take over. So I'll share my screen. Hopefully, you'll all be able to see it. Can you all see it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Charlotte.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thanks a lot, Rajiv. Yes, so RC Dombili, friends, this is the chart for your club. So as you all can see, it's so I have my mobile, so I'm just looking at here only, so you guys just can go through it. Yeah, so looking at the status of your club, we all can see it's almost steady at around 6 from 2017 to Jan 22, and which is definitely it's a very good sign. There is no retention in membership, or we can say a very less member retain. I think last year you had the retention is only 1, and as I spoke to Ulka, she just explained me that only 1 member left because he died or something. Aisa kuch hua tha, Ulka, na? So this is really a very good sign, and the growth is also very steady. So your club is really doing well. But here, just as a membership team, just not to advise you, but just to improve more, we can have a few suggestions. So I can see that though you are on a steady growth at a 60, but this club needs a fresh blood and a new ideas. That is in the form of Rajiv. Can we go for the second slide? Yeah. So here, if we see the gender ratio, you guys can see there are only 7 female members. That is only a 10% of the total strength. And since I think last 5 to 6 years, it is very continuous. It is a very, the female ratio is the same like this way. So according to, if I say that RI recommendations, it should be at least 30% of your total strength, according to RI. So if I say about right now in the RID 3142, we have a 3,660 total members, 3660, out of which 775 are female members, which is also 21% of the total strength. So according to RI, at least we need 30. So if your club can contribute it and can make it a little bit contribution, so it will be our honor as a membership team to say that the RC Dombili has done for the district. So please try to say that, try to just see that. So anyone of know that who was the first female member in the as a Rotary member? Yeah, so I also just Googled today only. It's Dr. Sylvia Whitlock in 1987, and she was a charter president also. See, either you guys can have only a female members to increase, or you can have both male and female members, and you can achieve the ratio. So when I'm talking about this slide only, or when I say that female members, so all of you must be wondering that why I'm stressing much on the female members, because as I said, it is RI need, our clubs need. And moreover, the female members, they bring the value to the club. They are more committed, obviously. They can communicate more persuasively. I can say that more convincingly. So all husbands and the male members always agree with me. And the most important thing, that if your spouse can join you, then nothing like it, because it will be definitely a Rotary family, and you need not to report by after going home also. That is also one and most important thing. And because sometimes it's like very difficult to divide your life in a professional way, in a Rotary way, or a family, because first the profession, then family, and then Rotary comes. So if your spouse or your family is the Rotarian, then it will be very easy for you guys to handle that. So the last thing, as a Rotary, as a club, what we can provide, as a Rotary, we can provide the opportunities for the ordinary women to do the extraordinary things. So just try to look into that, and just try to improve that ratio. That's it. So I just would like to hand over our Avenue Chair, Vikas Sankulkar. He'll lead us to the next few slides. Yes, Vikas.
Yeah, thank you, Charlotte.
Yeah.
And thank you, Ulka, for inviting us in your club. It's our privilege. इतना बड़ा क्लब है और सबका बाप क्लब है एक्चुअली बोला जाए तो, because it is the
That's why we are expecting more.
yeah, first club in Dombivli, I think, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so सबका बाप बोलने में हर्ज नहीं है. So it's a really senior club. We proud your club is actually a very experienced club, and I will not miss actually Yogesh, who actually introduced me such a wonderful way. And let's actually talk about the age-wise distribution of members. Actually, what everybody knows कि जैसे शार्लेट ने बताया कि फ्रेश ब्लड, यानी एवरीबडी नोज दैट फ्रेश ब्लड, जैसे ब्लड डोनेशन करते हैं ना, तो उसका रीजन ऐसा होता है कि हमारा पुराना खून जो है वो जाता है और नया खून आने में, जनरेट करने में हेल्पफुल रहता है. तो दैट इज द गुड वे टू एटलीस्ट चेंज. मतलब अभी जैसे हमारे क्लब में जो मेंबर्स का है, अभी तक आपने जो ये किया है, मेंटेन किया है, दैट इज वेरी गुड. मतलब आज तक आपका क्लब बहुत स्टेबल है और पूरे कहीं पर भी आज प्लस नहीं, माइनस नहीं, और स्ट्रेंथ बहुत अच्छा है. बट वैसे ही रखना है तो आज क्या होता है कि हर एक प्रेसिडेंट को क्लब देखता है कि वो ये साल में क्या काम कर रहा है. ओके, तो जनरली क्या होता है कि ये जो कंसंट्रेशन प्रेसिडेंट पे होता है, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि क्लब कैसे रीजनेट होगा, ये सीनियर मेंबर भी देखते हैं. एवरीबडी इज लाइक कि हमारा नाम कहीं तो क्लब में या डिस्ट्रिक्ट में या इंटरनेशनल में जाए, ये डेफिनेटली जरूरी होता है. और इसके लिए हमको सबसे पहले क्या है, फ्रेश जो मेंबर्स है, न्यू मेंबर्स, अभी जो हमारे क्लब का एज, एवरेज एज है, सबसे पहले आपको एवरेज एज डाउन करना है. अभी जैसे सीनियर मेंबर्स है, सीनियर मेंबर्स हम लोग कहते हैं कि हमारे जो पूर्वज है या हमारे सीनियर्स जो है, दैट इज डेफिनेटली नीड फॉर गाइडेंस. उनका हेल्प लेके, उनके गाइडेंस के अंडर हम लोग नए मेंबर सिलेक्ट करके, अच्छा नए मेंबर सिलेक्ट करने पर भी है ना, कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शन आप रखते होंगे, तो वो थोड़ा सा उसको मुझे ऐसा लगता है, आई फील कि कैसे होता है ना कि हर एक, देखो जो हाथ की 5 उंगलियां है ना, वो सही सेम नहीं है, बराबर है. तो जब भी ये अलग अलग उंगलियां, मतलब अलग अलग टाइप के मेंबर्स आते हैं ना, लेट देम कम इन, हमारे कल्चर में उनको बिठाओ, और डेफिनेटली देखो अलग अलग आइडियाज जो है ना वो डेवलप होते हैं. जैसे अभी आपके क्लब में अप टू 50 एज जो है वो जस्ट 20 मेंबर्स है. बाकी सीनियर्स मेंबर आपके जो है ना, वो हमारे लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है कि हमको आगे एक कॉन्फिडेंस देने में, या उनका हेल्प हमको लेना है. बट जैसे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू से दैट जस्ट हमारे उल्का जी से मैंने बात की थी रिगार्डिंग कुछ क्लब में इवेंट होना चाहिए. एंड थैंक यू उल्का कि आपने दिल पे लेके वो क्रिकेट इवेंट लिया है हाथ में. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देखो इसमें है ना, आप किसी को भी, एक आपके लास्ट मेंबर को भी इन्वॉल्व करना, कि वो भले अंपायर रहे लेकिन ही मस्ट बी देयर। तो जब इनका इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा क्लब में, इसके साथ स्पाउस का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा और एनेट्स, जैसे एंड्स और एनेट्स, ये सबका जब भी क्लब में इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है ना, तो क्लब है ना अच्छी तरह से खिल उठता है। इसमें एक बात ध्यान में रखना कि आपको पता है सबको कि रोटरी में कहीं पर भी लैंग्वेज बैरियर नहीं है, कहीं पर भी कलर बैरियर नहीं है। हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, ये यहाँ पर अमीर गरीब थोड़ा सा खाली पैसा होना चाहिए, बिकॉज somebody शुड स्पेंड, मतलब जो खर्चा करते हैं हम लोग, तो वो कुछ काम करना ही खाली रिक्वायरमेंट है, इतना ही मेंबर है, तो वो हमको बढ़ाना चाहिए। सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो उसका जो रीजन है ना हमको नए मेंबर लेने का, वो उस पे क्या होता है कि फ्रेंडशिप ज्यादा बढ़ेगी, न्यू आइडियाज आएंगे, फिर उसमें पर्सनल सबका ग्रोथ भी होता है। लीडरशिप के लिए वो नए मेंबर हेल्पफुल होते हैं, ऐसे मुझे लगता है। देर आर मेनी थिंग्स टू एक्चुअली, उसका रीजन बिहाइंड दैट कि क्यों नए मेंबर आने चाहिए, क्यों चेंज होना चाहिए, ऐसा है। सो वो एक इम्पोर्टेंस है। राजू प्लीज गो, ये नेक्स्ट पेज वी कैन सी देन। अभी इसमें और एक है कि देखिए एनुअल टीआरएफ कंट्रीब्यूशन का रेशो आपका है, मतलब ये अगर इतना सीनियर क्लब है तो 21 22, ओके गुड। अभी तक जो टीआरएफ फाउंडेशन, ये दिस इज एक्चुअली उल्का ने बहुत अच्छा जोर लगाया है। तो ये कैसा है कि आपके क्लब में पावरफुल सीनियर मेंबर्स है बराबर है। अभी एक एक का नाम लू ना तो वो एक्चुअली गलत होगा। ओके, क्यों कैसे ना कि ये जो डोनेशन का फिगर है ना, अभी जैसे ये डोनेशन का फिगर ऐसा है कि एक आपका मेंबर ही कैन डोनेट दिस मच। ओके, सो इतना बड़ा और स्ट्रांग क्लब है, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो रेशो है थोड़ा सा बढ़ने पर क्या होगा पता है कि आपको आपको डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, इंटरनेशनल में कई तो ग्रांट्स का यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि आपके क्लब के पास जो प्रॉपर्टी है, जो पावर है, आपकी स्कूल है, ये स्कूल के लिए आज तक अपने ग्लोबल ग्रांट यूज किया होगा, या अगर आपको और कुछ उसमें डेवलप करना है। और ये हमारा जो रोटरी जो बताता है कि हम लोग स्पेशली हमारा अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सर्व, ये जो हमारा टैगलाइन है ना, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, जिसके लिए हमको कहीं तो जेब से निकालना है। हर एवरी मेंबर शुड नो कि ही हैज टू डोनेट समथिंग। अगर ये $5000 अगर 3-4 लोगों में से आया हुआ होगा ना, दिस इज नॉट माई टॉपिक फ्रेंड्स, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि क्या है ना, $50-100 तो इजीली, मतलब हमारे क्लब में जो अभी देख रहे हूँ तो बहुत स्ट्रांग लोग हैं, तो एटलीस्ट $100 से हर एक का आ जाएगा, तो भी हमको बहुत, मतलब क्लब को एक वेटेज आएगा, और हमारा क्लब डिस्ट्रिक्ट से और डिस्ट्रिक्ट ग्रैंड और ग्लोबल ग्रैंड ले सकता है। ये इसके लिए। और क्या होता है कि अभी हम लोग पोलियो में, जो आप पोलियो का नाम लेते हैं, तो क्या कैसा है कि आज पोलियो में हमारे रोटरी ने जो बड़ा काम किया है, जिसमें आपको पता है कि आज यूएस में इतना केसेस नहीं था, बट आज मैक्सिमम जो डोनेशन है वो यूएस से आ रहा है। क्यों? बिकॉज दे वांट टू सर्व कम्युनिटी। तो ये इम्पोर्टेंट बात अगर ध्यान में रखे ना, देखो जब भी आप किसके लिए करना चाहोगे ना, रोटरी में हम लोग क्यों आए कि कुछ करना है, समाज के लिए कुछ करना है, और जो समाज के लिए करना है तो हमको कुछ तो हेल्प करना है। तो रोटरी फाउंडेशन इज द बेस्ट सोर्स कि हमको मैक्सिमम फंड वहां से ला सकते हैं, तो कुछ हमको फंड उसमें देने के लिए माइंड प्रिपेयर करना है क्लब का। So सबने just my wish, it is not my topic, but I will just suggest you to at least give Rotary Foundation something from your pocket. Okay. So this is the way actually new members क्यों होने चाहिए, ये तो मैंने बता दिया कि आपका क्लब अच्छा खिल उठेगा। और इतना ही मेरे लिए लगता है कि राजीव नेक्स्ट मेरे लिए कुछ है तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज आई विल जस्ट कंक्लूड। Thank you very much. Okay, Ulka, for inviting me this club. Okay, thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you, Charlotte and Vikas. Actually, it is very presumptuous of our membership team to talk to a senior club like yours on membership. Most of you have much better experience, more experience about Rotary than any one of us. So it is not really fair to advise you or teach you, but our idea is only to show you some new ideas, some new ways of doing things. We cannot be, we cannot take the idea of trying to teach you anything. We cannot. You know more than us. So please bear with us. Ulka, thank you for calling me. It's a pleasure always to talk to senior clubs. What is happening is your club is very similar in culture, in age profile, in numbers to my home club, Rotary Club of Thane. We have 107 members today. We are also 62, 63-year-old club. And we also have lots of past presidents who contribute a lot. But the point is that senior members contribute in terms of knowledge, in terms of skill, in terms of advice, but you need people to do the legwork. You need people who can do the actual grinding labor of doing social service. And for that, you need youngsters. The kind of energy they bring, the kind of ideas they bring can rejuvenate your club. Now, let's look at how does the society look at Rotary? They think it's an elitist club. वो बड़े लोगों की बात है. वो सब बड़े-बड़े लोग आते हैं, कुछ बात करते हैं और कुछ थोड़ा बहुत करते हैं. That is the idea people have. Another idea people have is photo is our motto. I think all of us know. Banner के सामने photo निकाला तो सब member घर जाते हैं, भाई project हो गया चलो. That is the idea society has about us. It's a wine and dine. कुछ नहीं, पैसा सिर्फ खाने पीने में डालते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत सोशल वर्क करते हैं, लेकिन most of the money is spent on wining and dining. And it's a club for retirees. आपको कुछ है काम धंधा है नहीं तो आप रोटरी में ज्वाइन करो और टाइम पास करो. Unapproachable. ये सब लोग बहुत बड़े-बड़े लोग हैं. They are nowhere. We cannot relate to them. We don't know how we can talk to them, what we can do with them. They are unapproachable. And this is a club for businessmen. It is not for others. Only businessmen can join the club. That is the perception of people. That's how people feel about Rotary. My boss's club. Only senior people can go to Rotary Club. ये सब मेरे बड़े-बड़े लोग boss है, वो club में जाते हैं. Homogeneous. सब लोग like your club and my club, 90% will be Maharashtrian. All will be similar age group. All will have similar interest. That is the impression people have about Rotary. And it is a men only. Only men can join Rotary. That is another misconception. And in Grand Plus Club, like retirees, it's old men's club. So old men sit around tables and talk. It's not for youngsters. That is the impression people have. What is the reality of Rotary? We do 500 crores in grants to fight disease every year. Every year we do projects worth 500 crores. There are 37,000 plus clubs worldwide. We have 60 million volunteer hours each year. Our members put in volunteer hours without taking any payment for doing social service. We give 100 peace fellowships every year to deserving candidates. And as all of you know, we are 1.2 million members from all walks of life, from different professions, different vocations. And we have immunized 2.5 billion children against polio. That is a great achievement Rotary has. And unfortunately, people don't know about these facts. They only know the bad part of Rotary or the bad image of Rotary. So our job is to change this image. Now coming to your club. By the way, please feel free to interrupt me if I am saying something wrong about your club, or if you something you don't agree with, or you want to ask a doubt, stop me and interrupt me. I have no issue if you stop me. I'll be happy. So as an outsider, I see your club as that you have no major retention issue. You are able to retain your members very well. It's an excellent job you're doing about retention. You admit new members only after due process. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी रास्ते में चल रहा है बोला चलो यार रोटरी ज्वाइन करो बाद में देखा जाएगा फी क्या है वो क्या है देख लेंगे बाद में. You don't do that. You follow proper process when getting new members, which is also an excellent thing. number 63, which you have today, is a very healthy number in terms of club. By the way, we senior clubs should stop criticizing the clubs which have 10 members and 7 members and 15 members, because when Rotary Club of Dombivli was chartered, do you know how many members you had? Anybody knows how many charter members were there in your club?
24 or 26.
According to Rotary, you had 2 members, charter members. They might have joined in few days after charter, but when your club was charter, you had exactly 2 members.
Can I take, I'd say one sentence.
Yeah.
Club was started in 1964.
Yeah.
Making it charter, it took 1 year, and it was chartered in 1961.
That's right. But when the charter came, it had only 2 members. Afterwards, people must have joined, as you said, 24 or whatever. So all I'm trying to say is, don't look down on clubs which have very few members. They can also reach great heights like your club. So don't ignore them. Don't look down on them. They can also do great things in future. So you have a healthy number of members and you are able to retain them, which is a very good thing. However, as Charlotte said, your women members are too less. You need to have more women, because women bring a different viewpoint. Women bring different compassion, different ideas. They can relate to the downtrodden more. I'm making a generalized statement, which may be true, may not be true, but they have more compassion for others than men in general, is my feeling. I may be wrong. And in like any organism, any living organism, if it is stagnant, it will degrade, it will die. So you need fresh blood all the time. You need new people, new ideas, something to shake up the club, saying that I want to do it differently, or I want to do different things. So anything which is an organization or organism, you need new blood to sustain your club. The point is, I am also very senior in age, though not in knowledge, but in age, I am quite senior. So we have to look at 10 years from now, 15 years from now, what will be my club? Will there be all 80-year-old people, or will there be some youngsters who will take over, who will be more competent, if not same as we are? So we need to provide for future by getting some young blood. And your club, according to me, needs fresh ideas to keep old. Now, old members are fed up. अरे वही साला वीकली मीटिंग, वही डिस्कॉन, वही डीटीए, 15 साल से अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, वही सब होता है. So you need some new ideas to keep the old members. And of course, the new members, as you know, they don't know anything about Rotary. So they need to have something which will keep them stuck to Rotary International, Rotary movement. The statistics say that if a Rotarian stays in a club for 3 years, he will stay for a very long time. Most of the members leave within the first 3 years. So as long as you can make him stick around for 3 years, you have won the battle. So you need some ideas which will keep old and the new members equally engaged in the club's activities. So I am looking at 10 action items to consider for your club. One is remake traditions. What do I mean by remake traditions? Like we have some, I don't know about your club, but some clubs have 4-way test recital. So when a new member or new guest comes in, वो सब उसके सिर के ऊपर से जाता है, ये क्या हो रहा है, what 4-way test, what this, what that. So maybe you need to change that, or maybe you want to have something more interesting. That's up to you to decide. One simple idea is, if you have a small, soft instrumental music playing when the meeting or the fellowship starts, people feel welcome when they walk into a hall. That yes, they feel welcome, that they're comfortable, they're welcome, and they would like to stay there for a longer period. Update your lingo. When you say club, you'll be surprised. I get phone calls. आपके क्लब में टेबल टेनिस है क्या? आपके क्लब में स्विमिंग पूल है क्या? Because when you say club, it has a different connotation. क्लब का मतलब है ताश खेलो या तो गेम्स खेलो या ऐसा कुछ. So you have to get away from that image and showcase your service projects, the networking opportunities that you offer, and leadership development opportunities that you offer. Those are things we should be highlighting in today's world. And I see one of your most senior members is handling the Zoom meeting, which is an excellent thing. So you need not be afraid of social media. कि नहीं ये हमारे समझ में नहीं आता ये कुछ नहीं है. Because today's need is social media. So have some people who can handle your club's social media. Embrace social media. Don't be afraid of social media. This will also attract your some prospective members to your club because of its activities. Reduce the cost of membership. This is a very contentious issue. I know that today nearly 8,000 rupees are spent on RI dues and district dues and magazine subscription, etc. But beyond that, try to reduce. When young people, as I'll show in another slide, when young people want to join, this is a main barrier. बहुत खर्चा है. Membership cost is very high. So see where you can cut costs, see where you can give more value to the members in the money which they're paying. Provide flexible attendance. In my club, a lot of people, a lot of senior people are against this new fad thing of having only 2 meetings in a month, having no minimum attendance requirement, having online meetings. Yes, sab bolta hai, ye kya? This is not Rotary. But sir, this is the Rotary today. This is the Rotary of future. We need to have flexibility in terms of asking attendance for people, especially people who stay in Dombivli and work in Mumbai or some other far off corner. For them to reach itself, maybe 9 o'clock or 9:30 when they come home tired and they have their dinner. So they may not be able to attend your meeting, but maybe they can attend your project on a Sunday. Take it as an attendance to the meeting. Maybe you can have a hybrid format of meeting, that Zoom as well as physical whenever it opens out. So that way they can attend. Make it personal. Make every member feel wanted. Maybe it's their birthday, their anniversary, their promotion in the job, or maybe their businesses achieved something. Whatever it is, appreciate it. Make them feel it is something which the members are involved in, or members are appreciating. Assign mentors. Now, when you assign mentors, that's an old concept that any new member or young member should have a senior mentor. Make sure that mentor has similar interests, similar knowledge base as a new member. They should have something in common. That way, the new member will also get to know about Rotary, and the old member will also know how the world today is functioning. Meetings should not be boring like today's. There should be some variety, something new, something out of the way, something out of the ordinary. Ye dekho, when Ulka held a Christmas party, 100 people came. Today only 7 or 8 people came. That's because we do not like routine meetings. Wahi baat, wahi chal raha hai. Have some variety in your meetings. Have something new, something fresh. Go mobile. Today's young professionals, they don't look at email. They don't like to receive phone calls. They only go by text. They only go by what text messages. So put your messages on text messages or WhatsApp, short messages. And brochures are one way of talking about your club, but that may not be enough in today's world. You need to have your presence on social media. That will act more as a magnet than a printed brochure. Your Facebook page should be fresh. It should be updated very frequently. Your Twitter, whatever other social media you have. I see that your club, when I Googled Rotary Club of Dombivli, I got all other clubs except your club. Your homepage, your Facebook is not very prominent. So make sure you refresh it very frequently so that it can be Google and we can land on your page rather than some other club. Now, what are our target audience? One is Generation X, that is people born between 65 and 80. People who are born in 65 and 80, generally speaking, they are loyal to good leadership. They look forward to good leadership and they will follow that leadership. That is their thinking. They use traditional media like TV, but they are becoming more and more active on social media. Their priorities are different. They want to spend money and time on children and house and their family, then everything else. They seek work-life balance. Like my generation, it's not only work, work, work. They want to have something beyond work, something of their own, something on their life. And they are realistic and pragmatic. Oh, koi bullshit nahi chahiye unko. They are realistic, pragmatic. They want to see how things will work and no hype, no bullshit basically. Then there are millennials who are born from 81 to 98. Millennials, they are the instant generation. Unko sab cheez instant chahiye. They expect immediate access to product information and peer reviews. If they want to buy something on Amazon, they will click the button and they'll get it at home. They have grown up with smartphones and internet. They are not used to writing letters. They are not used to email. They are very, very handy with smartphones and internet. They take it for granted. This is a very important aspect. This generation, they are not interested in ownership. Like my generation, we said, at the end of my career, I could buy a house. Now I am safe. I am happy. This generation is not worried. They say, if I can get a house on rent cheaper than buying it, why not rent it? Why should I take a loan of so many crores and then the return on that is nothing? Whereas if I rent a house, I don't have any capital expenditure, but I'm getting the same comfort, maybe better comforts. They don't want to buy a car. They'll call Ola, Uber and take a ride. They say, why should I buy a car, worry about its parking place and this and that and taxation, insurance? I will take Ola, Uber and go anywhere I want. So they want products without burden of ownership. They are very health conscious. They have less sort of vices like smoking and overeating or whatever. They are smart enough to know that the health is important. And they're optimistic and idealistic. They are looking at a better, brighter world, which they want to make this world into. So they are optimistic. They are looking at the bright side of things, and they're idealistic. They want to, if you talk to them about four-way test, they might relate to it. That's the kind of generation these millennials are. Now, when you talk to this audience, which is totally different from you and me, including Yogesh, this is totally different audience. These are some of the tips when you talk to them. Use technology. They are used to using technology like nobody's business. They take it for granted that you will know technology and it connects them to the world. Be transparent. There are a lot of people trying to market things to them. People are selling things to them, service, bolo, goods, bolo, people are selling to them. They don't want that. They want people who are straightforward, transparent, and honest. So be transparent with them about whatever you're talking about. Connect often. They're instant generation. If you send a message to them today, tomorrow they'll forget it. It'll go against another 200 messages which came after yours. So you have to keep on every day, every second day with some message, some communication. They are the video generation. They are not reading books. They are not talking to people. They watch Netflix. They watch Disney, Hotstar. So anything you want to communicate to them, try to put it in a video format and communicate with them. And create a real enduring change. No instant change. I'm sorry, but no notebooks and pencils to the school children. They want a toilet or a school building to be built, which will be there for next 30 years for the benefit of the children. So they want a sustainable change, not something which is short duration. These are the people who look for long-term change, not short-term gains. What are the interests of these youngsters? According to Deloitte, 77% of millennials are involved in some kind of charity or cause. They are involved in something for the community. 37% of millennials have cancelled an association because of cost. As I talked earlier, cost is a major issue because their priorities are different. They have family, they have work, so their priorities are different. Cost becomes a major aspect for them. And 61% of millennials and 50, so nearly 60% want to become leaders and very quickly. So Rotary offers them this opportunity to be a leader in the club. As you know, any new member, if you find the potential, put him in the board, put him in the committee, and he will do wonders. So now let's talk about some fresh ideas of meeting, which I talked. वही Rotary के ऊपर lecture नहीं चाहिए, अलग-अलग कुछ चाहिए. Rotary at work day is one way of getting your members together. In my, we also own a hall in Thane like you do, and there's a small lane. The hall's name is Sahayog Mandir. There's a Sahayog Mandir Path, which is a small lane in front of the hall, and that lane is populated by middle-class Thaneites. Now, one of these people wrote a letter to the editor in one of the newspapers. I hope you can understand Marathi words. They say, Rotary che dhana dandage log gaadya park karta, etc., etc., etc. So that is the impression they have about Rotary, dhana dandage log, which means money, power, they're trying to show off. Now, one way of changing this perception is doing some projects in that area where you are located as a club. So one way is, ek din, either you do it or get the municipal corporation to do it along with you. Clean up that lane. Jitna trash hai, kachra hai, jo kuch hai. Get all the members there, get municipal workers there, and clean up that whole place. That is one way of mobilizing your members. Second is, just like our original founders, Paul Harris and his friends started, have a meeting at each other's workplace. Instead of having in your hall every time, कभी-कभी किसी के ऑफिस में अगर जगह है या घर में है, उधर मीटिंग करो. I know your club is a big club, so you will have a problem in accommodating, but wherever it is possible, go to the place of work, serve tea, coffee, and have a meeting there. Some change. Go to local businesses. Tell them that we want your conference room and we want to serve lunch to your employees. Take their conference room, arrange lunch for the employees, and go and blast your Rotary message there. Kya project karte ho? What is Rotary? How it is Rotary? Let them know. Maybe you will find few members through the local business. Now, this is a very fresh concept. One is there are parent-teachers association meetings, or there are first day of school where parents come to the school. So put up a table. If you talk to the school, I'm sure they'll allow you inside the school also. Put up a table with coffee and biscuits, or tea, coffee and biscuits. And all the parents who come, serve them tea, coffee, chat with them. And if you get a chance, talk about Rotary. You need not be very upfront. You need not try to oversell your Rotary, but make sure they understand that Rotary Club is doing this for their good. So take a classroom, make them sit there, talk to them, ask them about their problems, what issues they face, and how you can help them. So this is a good opportunity to get the parents in your custody to talk about Rotary also. Mystery trip. Don't announce where you're going. Just tell him, kal ek mystery trip hai, chalo. Then you can go to some picnic spot nearby. There is a concept in America that everybody takes out his car, and in the car boot or trunk or dicky, they put some sandwiches, some coffee, tea. Everybody opens his dicky, and then everybody shares the food. So that's called, what do they call it?
Mystery trip.
Huh?
Mystery trip.
No.
Okay.
अभी टॉपिक वो चल रहा है ना. Hello.
Mystery trip is the whole topic.
In India, we call it dabba party.
Dabba party, or they can call it, yes, they call it
Oh.
tailgate party.
Yeah, similarly, na, Raju, sorry to interrupt. Hello.
Yeah.
Similarly, we have in Dombivli some places for bird watch. So that is the good, because some people in Dombivli are actually interested to take some trip in here. That's why. So if anybody, we can join them, no?
Yeah. Acha, another way is go flamingo watching. At least in Thane, we have this Airoli Creek where you can go and watch flamingos.
Yeah.
I'm sure in
So
Dombivli
that
also.
is planned in for our schedule
Excellent.
for the year.
But
Yeah.
don't announce when and where, just make it a mystery.
No,
trip.
no.
So tell them a fantastic place we are taking you. We don't want to tell you where we are taking you. Take them there. Or another way is to have stargazing. We have one gentleman called Dakru Soman, who was our honorary member a couple of years back. He is he's astrologer and astronomer both. So if you invite him, he will bring his telescope and he will show you all the stars in the evening or in the night. So ऐसा कुछ party रखो. रात को 9 बजे terrace में collect your members and have a stargazing party. So there are many ideas. I'm sure you can think of many more ideas to have some mystery, some suspense, some interest for the members. Zoom meeting with an international club. This is another way of getting your members together. We keep meeting each other, but tell them now this time we are meeting with Rotary Club of Phoenix, USA, and get that club to join you. Have a great meeting together. Ask them what they do. Tell them what you do. It will be a very interesting meeting. This is another interesting aspect. Call some high school students. Ask them to talk. Ask them to talk about what are their plans for future, what are their vacation plans, and also if they want summer jobs, which is a concept now getting roots in India. Some of your members can take them as summer interns or summer employees. So call high school students, maybe interacts, maybe not interacts, but call them and talk to your people that if anybody wants summer interns, they can employ them from these people. This is another very interesting concept. You go to another club, go to Vikas Sankulkar's club, steal their gong and gavel, चुरा लो. जैसे शादी में जूते चुराते हैं ऐसा उसका gong or bell चुरा लो. Okay, now then send them a ransom note that unless 2 of your members, yes, hold it tight. So give them a message that unless 2 of your members attend our club meeting, we will not return this gong and gavel. When the 2 members come, treat them royally, take them out for dinner if you want, build bridges, make them feel very happy. So start some novel ideas like this, something out of the ordinary, something which will excite your members. We always have birthday for our own members, but celebrate the birthday of your mayor, police chief, fire chief, कोई local hero है उसको बुलाओ, उसका birthday करो, and tell that to your community. Invite your community to do that. Maybe just cutting a cake, nothing more than that. But invite your community members around your area to join in this birthday party. Honor a local business that reflects 4-way. Suppose some rickshawala has returned money. Honor him. Or any shop, if he has done something good which fits into our 4-way test, honor him. So that way you will get good image for your club. Speed networking. You must have heard about speed dating, where there are girls on one side, boys on another side, and they meet each other for 2 minutes each, and they go to the next table, next table, next table. Similarly, get your fellow professionals. Suppose if you are a doctor or chartered accountant, get your doctor friends and chartered accountants to meet with your friends, your members rather, in your club. Each member will stand in a line. All the members will stand in a line, and those visitors will talk to each member for 1 minute or 2 minutes and then move to the next one. That way you will get the non-Rotarians interested in Rotary. Reunion meeting. Call your ex-members, whoever has left your club or maybe even some other club. Call them for your meeting, honor them, some small way, Rotarians, ex-Rotarians also don't expect anything except maybe a flower or whatever. Call them. Maybe they will rejoin. If they are not rejoining, maybe they ask their children to join. But this could be a good avenue of getting new members. Door greeter. This is an institution which I found in US very common. Have somebody at the door to your venue who will greet every person who enters the meeting, whether he's a member or a guest. He should greet them. My personal experience is when I joined this club, there was a very senior person sitting at the registration desk. And if I forgot to sign the register, he used to bring the register to me wherever I am and take my signature. Then, since I was new, I didn't have too many friends, he would get a plate of snacks which we were serving and bring that to me. So one day I asked, who is the gentleman? He seems to be such a senior person. How come he's doing this work? And he was Dr. Kanbur, who is one of the most senior-most gynecologists in Thane. He's a well-known gynecologist. Outside Rotary, he must be, it will take time to get his appointment also. But he was a person who was doing this for Rotary. So have that kind of atmosphere where the new members they feel welcome. When you get visitors to your club meeting, give them a membership interest kit. Kit may, maybe there is your Rotary news or some other issue, maybe your club bulletin, maybe some other brochures. Just give them that kit to carry home. And one way of engaging new members is ask them to talk about what is the latest development in the line of work. If some guy is working in IT, usko bolo, latest kya ho raha hai tumhare line mein, jara batao. Humko bhi pata karna chahiye. If there's a chartered accountant who is new in the club, tell him what are the new regulations which have come in, which will be of interest to all the members. So new members can teach us something new. Now, yes, where the hell do you find these new members? It's very easy. Look at your friends. Sometimes we overlook the nearest things. Our friends, our classmates, or the children of our Rotarians, which you say they've already formed a new club, but there must be other children. Neighbors, we don't look at our neighbors as prospective Rotarians. Have a look at that. Your doctors, your dentists, real estate agent, the list is endless. Accountants, veterinarians, IT consultant, public relations, entrepreneurs, non-profit professionals, school administration, university staff, civic leaders, social workers, psychologists, all these people you have come across in one way or the other, some of them at least. So get them to, and please don't tell a new person, will you join my club? Don't do that ever. I remember one incident when I asked somebody, why don't you join my club? He said, "Arey bhai, 4 club ne pucha hai, main sabko na bol raha hu." So let's not devalue our Rotary movement. Let us not make it feel very trivial or casual. Let him attend some meeting. Usko bola, just come and attend our meeting. There's a very interesting speaker, or there's a very interesting program, whatever you have. Let him attend, let him see the culture, let him see the atmosphere, and then he might come to you saying that, can I join? How do I join? And there are many other categories where you can find new members. That's all I have to share with you today. Thank you for very patient listening. And I hope I've been able to help you in some way. Though, as I said, such a senior club, it's very difficult to teach them something new or tell them something new. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was truly very inspiring, and trust me, it was really informative. There were a few points which we knew it, but still, when it was explained, we actually came to know it. You know, at times it happens like, "Arey, haan, ye to pata hai," but you know, when there's somebody else who's saying it, it is easier to relate to it and understand it in a better way. And I guess today all 3 speakers of us have done that today for us. Thank you so much.